what is up? Good morning. My name is Kayla Jukic. If you are new, if you're not, hello again. Today is Monday and I feel like I want to vlog again. I've been loving vlogging lately. So we are going to be doing a day in my life. Mondays are honestly so busy for me just because of so many errands like grocery shopping and just getting ready for the week. So you guys are going to hold me accountable. We're going to get all of this done together. Currently about to have breakfast. So I have 2 scrambled eggs with ketchup. You already know what it is. I have some pineapple and blueberries for my fruit and I'm out of my sourdough bread. So I'm having regular Villaggio bread and I'm also out of margarine. So I just put crunchy peanut butter. I have my big water bottle here. I filled it up, ready to get all of my hydration in for the day. And I am currently watching Jane the Virgin. I think in my last vlog or maybe 2 vlogs ago, I literally just started this show and I'm already halfway through season 5 and I believe there's only 5 seasons. So I have been binge watching this like crazy. I know that Jane the Virgin is an older show. I think it came out in 2015, so like 8 years ago. But I'm the type of person I like watching shows when they're done, so that's why I'm binging it now. I'm gonna give a spoiler alert. If you haven't watched it, click the next like 10 seconds through, but Michael is back. Well, technically now is Jason, and I was shook. So I'm gonna watch this for like 20 minutes while I eat my breakfast, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. So it is about 10:15 now and I just got in from taking Kobe for another morning walk, and the security guard, as I was walking back in, said there was a package for me. He's literally my bestie. I get so many packages, so every time he sees me he's like, you have a package, without me even knowing. So he's the best. I am super excited. I already briefly opened it up a bit because I wasn't entirely sure what it was, but it is my package from Luisa, and I am so excited to let you guys know that they are actually sponsoring today's video. If you guys have been following me for a while, you would know that I absolutely love Luisa, and I just absolutely adore their jewelry. Not only is it affordable and it's super long lasting, like the pieces that I got from them last year are still in perfect condition, but they're also tarnish resistant and they're humidity and strength tested 100%. Their pricing literally starts as low as $39, which is absolutely amazing. Now I'm in Canada, but if you are in the US and you're watching this and you want to order from them, they do offer fast and free US shipping. And on top of all of that, they are so behind their products that you will actually get a 2-year warranty with your piece. So the first item I got is a letter necklace. I got the letter A for Alan, which is my husband's name. I thought that was so cute. Now I did get 2 sets of earrings. So the first set is the mini Hannah marble blue earrings. These are definitely something different than I would normally wear, but I thought they were so cute. I have so many events this summer, bridal showers, baby showers. I have 2 weddings to go to, and I just thought these would be the perfect earring to wear to some sort of event. And as well, I also got the Michelle earrings. These are definitely a lot more dressier. They're dangly. They're a lot bigger. So these are definitely for like a dressy up event. Again, like something like a wedding. And last but not least, I did get 1 ring, which is the Celine ring in the color silver. Okay, we're getting close and personal right now because I want to show you how cute these earrings are. So these are the Hannah marble blue ones. They're so cute. They're pretty minimal. Like they're not like super out there, but they're like just cute enough. Like they're actually perfect for me because I'm the type of person I don't like extremely out there kind of jewelry. So these are so cute. Like you could literally just wear these like every day, honestly, too. Like not even to just an event. Okay, and now for the Michelle earrings. Wow, these are literally stunning. So these are a lot longer and a little bit more out there, but I'm definitely going to be wearing these, I think, to my friend's bridal shower that's coming up because I'm going to be wearing my hair up. And when you have your hair up, I feel like you need earrings like these to kind of stand out. So cute. I love them. And definitely, last but not least, we're zooming in here, but this A necklace is so cute. Go get shopping. I will leave a link in the description box, and you can also use my code, get you 20% off. All of that information is in the description box, so go check it out. it is 12:45 right now and I just finished at the gym. I had a quick 45-minute leg workout. I'm feeling pretty tired today, and I think with this weather, it has been raining all day. It's just so gloomy and it's just like weather. I had a little bit of a shorter workout and I went a lot lighter, but as you guys saw, I didn't film much of my workout. I think it was 2 exercises. 1 because my gym was busy, but 2 I was just tired and I didn't want to record it. And 3, honestly, I just recently posted a week of workouts, which is my current workout split. I literally did exactly that. I just went a little bit lighter and I switched out the hack squats for the back squats. So if you're interested in that video, go watch that. I will link it up above, but I'm gonna head home now. I have to do a quick body shower. I'm gonna have some lunch. It is pouring, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to walk Kobe just yet. Hi. Doing groceries, so we're gonna have a little bit of a grocery haul. Everything is from Food Basics. I do have to run to Walmart later because this is the 2nd week in a row that Food Basics is sold out of 2% milk. I don't know what is going on, where their cows are, but they are not having 2% milk. So I'm gonna have to go to Walmart after, but I will just go there later. We will start with this bag. I got a 4-pack of Liberté Greek yogurt in the vanilla flavor. These are always on sale. I love it. Then we got a pack of kiwis and blueberries, my salad spring mix, and strawberries. I bought these Sky strawberry vanilla bars. They're like Greek yogurt bars, and they're super low in fat, which is really good to eat, you know, during the summer instead of having like a high fat ice cream. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but that is just what I like. Cinnamon Eggos, these were actually on sale 2 for $6. I just don't have the room for 2 packs, so I only bought 1 sadly. Grape tomatoes and asparagus. I honestly have not had asparagus in so damn long, so I'm excited about that. These were on sale, so I wanted to give them a try. It's a 3-cheese mini pizza from the brand Selection. I'm not currently tracking my calories or macros, but I like still looking at the labels of things that I'm buying that are new, and the macros aren't that bad. So in one pizza, you're getting 8 grams of fat, 36 grams of carbs, and 9 grams of protein, so I mean it's not terrible. I got cheddar sliced cheese, and then this is new, but honey garlic chicken wings. They were on sale for like 10 bucks, so we're gonna try it. Now moving on to this bag, I want to make spinach dip maybe tonight or tomorrow, so I bought cream cheese, but they were on sale 2 for $5 I believe, so I just bought 2, and I will just find something later on in the week to use it or make something with. Pringles were on sale, so I bought barbecue, and then sourdough bread. This is my favorite and my go-to. Bananas and broccoli, a carton of eggs. This is new, never tried it before, but tortellini cheese with rosé sauce. It is like baked tortellini. So good. At least it looks good. I hope it tastes as good. So I'm gonna have this for dinner sometime this week. I got extra lean ground turkey, so I'm gonna cook this up for my meal prep for lunches for the week. And then I got extra lean ground beef because we haven't had tacos in a few weeks, maybe even a few months, so I want to have tacos this week. I bought these lactose-free strawberry banana yogurt drinks for my husband, margarine, and then last but not least, I needed to buy frozen spinach for the spinach dip that I want to make. My least favorite part, now I need to go put this all away. Okay, so I have a little pro tip for you guys. I just have this fruit left over in my fridge from last week. So this is what I'm gonna do with it. The pineapple doesn't need to be cut, and honestly, it still looks really good, so that is good. These blueberries I am just going to wash, and I'll just quickly dry them and just take off any stems. I'm just gonna look at the blueberries to see if there's any bad ones, and there's a few, this one, this one. So instead of wasting them and throwing them out, what I like to do is I have a protein fruit smoothie or a smoothie bowl every single day pretty much. This is the current fruit mix that I'm using, and I keep it frozen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna literally just add these blueberries and pineapple in here so it doesn't go to waste. This frozen fruit blend already includes pineapple, so this is gonna fit perfectly. And then I'm just gonna close it up and put it back in my freezer, and then now I can use it for my frozen, you know, fruit smoothies and smoothie bowls. So that is a huge pro hack because we're not wasting food this year. Now that groceries are put away, we're gonna quickly meal prep some snacks and my lunches for the week. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make some rice. So I'm gonna make 2 little cups of this. And I'm just using jasmine rice, which I'm running out of soon. Always make sure to wash your dang rice. I never used to, but I do now, thank God, because of TikTok. And then I'm just gonna plug in my rice cooker and literally just leave it for like 20 minutes or so. I literally just press it on and it does its thing. If you guys are interested, I can link this below. It is from Amazon and it's my favorite. It's so easy to make rice. Alright guys, that is the end of today's video. For the last couple of hours, I honestly just continued to watch Jane the Virgin. I did a little bit of editing of this video and some stuff for Instagram, and then I kind of just chilled. I feel like I did a lot today, and I didn't even record everything for you guys, or else I would have never got it done. So I think I'm gonna head to bed and just end this video because I want to chill and relax. It's like 10:05 right now, so I'm probably gonna just watch a little bit more TV. I might do a little bit of reading, I don't know, maybe I'm gonna fall asleep, who knows, but I'm gonna head into bed and end this video. Also, shout out again to Anna Luisa for sponsoring this video. If you guys use my code, which I will leave right here as well in the description box below with my link, you will save 20%. So make sure you guys go use that so you can save a little bit of money on your shopping. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to me down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.